Hello, and welcome to another science poem. This one's about acids and bases, and it's called Acid Man and Lady Base. It's a poem I wrote while teaching acids and bases. So if you are a teacher, you are welcome to use this poem with your class. What I've done with it is get them to learn it off by heart and to act it out. Or if you just want to show them the video and let them see how they can conceptualize acids and bases in a way that stimulates the imagination and hopefully some of their interest. So acids and bases, the alchemists apparently characterized acid as masculine and base as feminine. Now it's really important if you do teach a class that you just clarify that that doesn't mean men are masculine and women are feminine, but that we all have both. And in conversations with classes, I've often found that some of the students will say things like, yeah, my mother is more like the acid and my father more like the base, and so on. And if you're a teacher or if you're interested and you want to see the reactions that are described in the poem, then please have a look on my Facebook page called Deep Science Education. And if you don't get it under that, you can put my name, Philip Merkin, Deep Science Education. But if you search it from within Facebook, you should get it. So please, just that kind of a heads up warning, you don't want students to get the wrong idea. It's literally just the attempt to characterize the acids and bases that we use, masculine and feminine, but also because it's helping with a holistic relationship that the students can then form to acids and bases. So I'm going to enact the poem for you now. If you want to teach the poem to your class, you can just pause the video, get them to read it, maybe copy it down as you like. But I'm going to stop the sharing now and I'm going to enact the poem for you. So if you wish to share it with the class, you don't need to share this introductory part. You can just share the poem if you like. Acid Man and Lady Base. Of these the ancient alchemists spoke, who knew them both as active folk. Base, born of metal, and acid her mate, have needs only the other can sate. To find their nature, for what they strive, we place in sets of test tubes 5 magnesium, milk, and copper sulfate, crushed chalk and oil, our sacrifice, our bait. Acid, brighten, dissolve, and boil, to lift from solid heavy toil in one swift act, his halide sword or brimstone fire has form destroyed. Slower working, to hold and to bind Our Lady's fruits, though soft in kind, take what is loose, unbound and free, and ground it, give it presence to be. When together these two we place, the drive, the need, the hot embrace seems like a fight to dominate the lover, inanimate opposites attracting each other, then left to cool and crystallize as children born of their parents' demise, small shining seeds, salt crystals delight, to fructify the earth as solidified light.